CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. It is a technology that uses computer programming to control and automate machine tools, such as 1. Milling machines. 2. Lathes. 3. Grinders. 4. Routers. 5. Laser cutters. 6. 3D printers. The primary function of CNC is to 1. Read asterisk. Read the program instructions from a computer-aided design, CAD, file or a text file. 2. Interpret asterisk. Interpret the instructions and convert them into machine-specific code. 3. Control asterisk. Control the machine's movements, speed, and actions to perform the desired operation. 4. Monitor asterisk. Monitor the machine's status, detect errors, and alert the operator. CNC functions include 1. Motion control asterisk. Moving the machine's axes, X, Y, Z, etc., to precise locations. 2. Speed control asterisk. Regulating the machine's speed and feed rates. 3. Tool control asterisk. Selecting and changing tools, such as drills or cutters. 4. Coolant control asterisk. Managing coolant flow and pressure. 5. Error handling asterisk. Detecting and responding to errors, such as tool breakage or overheating. CNC technology offers numerous benefits, including 1. Improved accuracy. 2. Increased productivity. 3. Enhanced precision. 4. Reduced labor costs. 5. Increased flexibility. CNC is widely used in various industries, such as 1. Aerospace. 2. Automotive. 3. Medical devices. 4. Mold making. 5. Woodworking. I hope this helps.